Different variables in Botpress hold different kinds of information. These are the different variable data types available in Botpress. String stores information as a text, so something like a user's name. Boolean stores information as true or false, so this can store whether or not a user is a returning customer. Number stores numerical data, so something like a user's phone number. Date stores a date and time, so something like a user's appointment date, for example. Object is a collection of key value pairs, so this is useful for storing the results of an API call, for example. Array is a collection of other variables, so arrays can contain multiple strings or multiple objects, for instance. A list entity is a variable from a set number of choices, so let's say you had to make your user select a certain day of the week. Pattern entity stores information that follows a set pattern. So for example, flight numbers that always have the same number of alphanumeric characters, and finally target, which store, exchange, and reference your conversation. These variables are used for complex multi-participant conversations, like when you need to escalate a user conversation from a bot to a human.